The second phase of meiosis 1 is the metaphase 1. And we have seen earlier also, metaphase is a phase where the chromosomes come in the middle of the cell. So here, the spindle fibers have already formed. We've seen that when the nuclear wall disappears or dissolves, the nucleoplasm and cytoplasm, their reaction causes spindle fibers to occur. And these spindle fibers, they are attached from the centrioles. The centrioles also have migrated by then to opposite corners. And the centrioles, they are joined to the centromere with the help of spindle fibers. Now this is slightly different because here the centrioles can just join the centromere of one chromosome and not of all the chromosomes. Okay, so and here we can see the recombinant chromosomes. These chromosomes have got like parts that are interchanged and exchanged during the previous phase. They are attached like that with the spindle fibers from one pole to the chromosome of each pair. Now in the next phase, which is the anaphase or the separating phase, you will see that these spindle fibers, they contract, pulling this set of chromosomes up here and this other set below. That you can see here, this is the anaphase. Begins when the spindle fibers contract, pulling the chromosomes to the opposite end. So you can see where there were 4 chromosomes along with their sister chromatids. When they are pulled aside, on one side you will have 2 chromosomes with their sister chromatids, which of course are recombinant or they have changed genetic parts, and on the other side also you have 2. So you can see from 4 chromosomes now, 2 are gone on one side and 2 on the other. Already here you have seen halving of the chromosomes have kind of taken place. And the last phase of meiosis 1, which is telophase, the end phase. Over here you can see that the nuclear wall, okay, it starts to re-emerge. It's starting to re-emerge. The nucleolus also is re-emerging. The centrioles, the nuclear wall, the wall of the cell or the cytoplasm is also dividing, and kind of 2 cells are formed. But here you can see that the 2 cells have half the number of chromosomes now. Okay, just 2 chromosomes, of course, with the sister chromatids. Here 2 chromosomes with the sister chromatid. And in this stage also the chromosomes start uncoiling or decoiling and becoming uncoiled.